Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I do my high puff, which is one of my favorite styles that I like to do when I am going to work. Right now I'm spraying my hair with just water. I love this hairstyle because it's out of my face. I don't have to worry about it touching anything, especially my ends, so I love this hairstyle. Right now, I am using the Mielle Organics White Ponytail Leave-In Conditioner. I love this conditioner so much. It's very light, especially for hairstyles like this. And it makes my hair very shiny. And this is not that much of old hair. I just did a wash and go video, which I will be posting soon. But this is hair from wash and go. This is about 5 days old from my wash and go. And we just want to make sure that back is slicked up, no hangs. And this is my favorite brush. I had this one for years. Thinking about getting a new one, but this one is pretty cool. I love this one. We want to get all of that in the bag. Make sure we get all of that. I don't want nothing hanging. I want it to be looking very neat. I realized that my ends were looking a little dry. Had to refresh them real quick. Can't let my hair look dry. So I'm just using a regular scrunchie for my high puff right now. It's big enough for me, especially because I'm working in a kitchen, so I don't want it very huge. And my trusty edge brush, toothbrush, gotta get them edges, make sure it is alright. Look how shiny my hair looks right now from the leave-in conditioner. I love it. Now I'm just going to spray a little bit on the brush because they look a little dull, if that makes sense to you. But they look a little dull, so I just wanted to make sure it's shining everywhere. Okay, so my puff is complete and I love it.